I'm Swati Das. I'm a maths teacher and I love teaching. I discovered this passion for teaching right from my college days when I started tutoring. Then I finished my post-graduation in mathematical statistics and I did my B.Ed and started teaching as a professional teacher. I taught in various schools in India and abroad. Some of the prominent schools that I have taught is Delhi Public School and Modern High School, Kolkata. I also taught in Indonesia and Dubai. The name of the school in Dubai is Dubai International Academy, which I really enjoyed teaching there. Then I came back to India and I thought I would be spreading, after 27 years of experience, I thought I would take my teaching to the underprivileged students and give them a platform to rise and learn. Hello children, today I am going to teach you about gradient of a line. Do you know what is a gradient? What do you mean by a gradient? Okay, if you do not know what is a gradient, I am sure you know about slopes. Have you seen slope? You have seen a slope in your playfield where you have this slip, where you just roll down a slip, and that is a slope. There's a slope to it. That's also called the gradient. There's an inclination to it. You also go up in the hills. There are highways where you have, which is going up. We call it a little slope. So same thing, how do we calculate what is the numerical value of a slope? Let us take a look at this interactive lesson here. So this is a graph. As you can see, there's a pink line. I'll show you different line, and what do you think? All of them will have different gradients. So this blue line has a different gradient, the dark blue line has a different gradient. All of them have different gradient, obviously, because the slopes of the lines are different. Now let us see how do we calculate the gradient of a line. Now take a look at this interactive video here. So we have this, we take how much steps we went up. So there are 2 steps that we have gone up, and across we have gone 2 steps across. So the calculation of gradient is up upon across. So that is 2 by 2 equal to 1. So the gradient of the line is 1. Now I can also have this triangle as a big triangle, and still I could calculate the gradient of this line. It doesn't matter where we draw the triangle, as long as it is on the x-axis and touching at 2 points of the line. Now let us take a look at the second one. Can we calculate the gradient here? Yes, you have to remember that it is up and across. So now let us take a look at this one. I can see that across we have 1, 2, 3 squares across. And how many squares up? 2 squares up. So up and up upon across. So 2 upon 3 would be the gradient of this pink line. Is that clear? Okay, let us try out this next one. What do we see here? The line has turned the other way. The line was this way here, and this is on the other side of the x-axis. So how do we calculate? Would the gradient be any different? I can see that both the gradients are the same, because we go up 2 steps and here we move 3 steps across. So the gradient would be 2 by 3, but there's a difference in direction. Hence, this will be negative gradient. So today I'll stop here and I will take you across to the journey of gradients and intercepts in my next lesson. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.